What's up, YouTube? Freddie Pressure here with another banger for you. On today's video, me and wifey basically gonna be cleaning this extremely dirty driveway. We also gonna be cleaning the house with the X-Jet. But if you're new in the business, if you're new to the channel, I'm Freddie Pressure, and over here this Pressure World. In the Pressure World, we're applying major pressure to the pressure washing industry or any industry we touch. So if you like this type of content, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when we upload more videos.